Welcome to the second part of our video series, where we introduce the core features of our new wallet solution for companies. In this second video of our introduction, we'll walk you through the initial setup. You'll see how a company can create a new wallet and identify itself using its official EU registration. This wallet will later serve as the basis for managing digital credentials. But today, we'll focus on the foundation, setting it up and linking it to a legal entity. Let's get started with the first step, creating the wallet and assigning the company identity. What you see here is the initial view for setting up a new wallet as a company. At this point, the wallet is still empty. No credentials have been issued, and we haven't identified the company yet. First, we enter the company name into the input field. Let's use Evonik Industries as our example. Once the name is entered, we click Continue to move forward. In the next step, we need to find the EUID of the company. This ID is essential when interacting with official registers, as it uniquely identifies the legal entity across the European Union. The EUID is a standardized identifier recognized across all EU member states. If we don't know the EUID, we can use the search function to look up the company by name. Let's go ahead and search for Evonik Industries AG in the company register. In this example, we find Evonik Industries AG listed on the second page of the search results. Once we've located it, we can select the correct entry to proceed with the setup. Now, the system shows us key information: the legal entity, its address, and the register type. Furthermore, we see that Evonik Industries AG is registered at the Register Court Essen and has a specific register number. In Germany, the EUID is structured as follows. It starts with the country code DE, followed by a code like 2503 for the court, in this case, Essen. Then the register type, such as HRB, Commercial Register B, and finally, the company's unique register number. Together, this structured triple ensures the company is uniquely identifiable throughout the EU. We can now select the company and proceed to the next step. What you see here is the business wallet that has been set up for the selected company. We will explore the structure and full functionality of the business wallet a little later on. That's it for the second part of our wallet introduction. You've seen how to set up a company wallet and link it to a verified EU identity. In the next video, we'll show you how to continue the process, including how to request digital credentials from trusted issuers. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next part.